guess by the noise. I'm back in the park by the karaoke. Just waiting for these people to move by, and I will ask you today's question. Alright, today's question, if you're going to hear me above this noise, how many birds can you see? How many birds can you see? Today's question, how many birds can you see? It's almost like they recognise me. Some people reckon pigeons are stupid. There they go again. เอาเพลงเลยอย่างตรงนู้นมาThere. Now how many can you see? Yes, when I'm not working and I come on my daily walk, I like to come and feed them, not only the squirrels. So that's today's question. How many birds can you count? Alright, gonna end the video now. Don't forget, if by some miracle you like what you see, press the notification bell. Like, share, subscribe. Whatever you want to do. Up to you. Alright, catch you on the next one. See ya.